In the situation, the first question is force applied on lower block. Look here, all of you, Nana. Very important, very dry topic, Nana. Look here. In the situation, this is the black, Nana. This is the smooth surface. Here, one block placed on other block. Mass of the lower block, ml. L indicate lower. Mass of the upper block indicate mu. Once again I repeat, one block placed above the other block. Okay? Mass of the lower block denoted by ml. Mass of the upper block denoted by mu. This surface is smooth surface. This surface is rough surface. Simply between the blocks, this contacting surface is rough surface. Here, according to question, force applied on the lower block. Force applied on the lower block. Here, this is the rough surface. Friction always oppose the motion. This is the frictional force. Okay, Nana? This is applied force. This is the frictional force. Frictional force is a pseudo force. Pseudo force means one body says a action, other body says a opposite reaction. Look here, Nana. All of you look here. Once again I repeat, friction is a pseudo force. One body made action, other body made opposite reaction. Okay, Nana? Look here. Here, in the situation, find acceleration of the upper block. This is the question. Here, according to diagram, this is the upper block. On the upper block, how many forces acting? Only single force. That is also frictional force. Okay, Nana? Here, what is the net force on the upper block? Only single force. That is frictional force. Newton's second law, F equal to ma. Upper block, mass of the upper block, acceleration of the upper block. Frictional force means mu into n. N is nothing but the normal reaction on horizontal surface, that is weight. This is the surface, rough surface. Above mass is mu. Simply mu into g. Once again I repeat. Here, upper block only frictional force act. Frictional force is a pseudo force. Here, F net equal to F. Newton's second law, F equal to ma. Frictional force, mu into n. This is the rough surface. Above the weight is taken. Okay, look here. Here, mu cancel. Finally, we get acceleration of the upper block is mu k into g. Equation number 1. Very important formula. The question is force applied on the lower block. B. Acceleration of the lower block is determined. Okay, I take lower block now. I take lower block. This is lower block. This is lower block now. Here, forward force is applied force. Backward force is frictional force. Okay. Here, what is the net force? Methane, net force. Net force is forward force minus backward force. Here, right side, forward force is capital F. Here, friction right as we know that mu k. This is the rough surface. Above weight is taken. Mu k into mu into g. F net, Newton's second law, ma. Mass of the lower block, acceleration of the lower block. According to this situation, what is the acceleration of the lower block formula? F minus mu k mug by ml. Okay, this is the formula for acceleration of the lower block. Equation number 2. Both blocks move together. Common acceleration determined. In the previous A and B. In the previous question A and the previous question B is both the bodies have different acceleration. Acceleration of the upper block is determined. Acceleration of the lower block is determined. But in the situation, both the blocks move together. This is the question. In the situation, both the blocks move together because of friction. Both the blocks move together means with respect to this surface, both are rest. Both are rest means here frictional force, simply limiting frictional force balances the common force, that means common net force. Once again I repeat, both the blocks commonly move together, simply both the blocks have common acceleration is there. This friction provides a common acceleration. The friction is called limiting friction. This is the question. Here limiting friction, F formula mu into N. N means mass of the upper block into G, because this is the rough surface, above weight is taken. For example, this is the rough surface, above total weight is taken. Okay, here F net none. Newton's second law, F equal to ma, upper block mass mu g. F equal to ma. Okay, here mu cancel. What is the formula for common acceleration? Both the blocks move together. Acceleration formula is mu s into g. Equation number 3. Once again I repeat this topic. Both the blocks commonly move. Commonly move means because of rough surface provides common acceleration. For example, I take upper block. Here net force is only frictional force. Both blocks commonly move. The friction is limiting friction, maximum friction. Here FL write as mu s into N. N means mu into G. Left side Newton's second law, upper block here. Mu cancel. Acceleration of the both bloods commonly move together. What is the formula? Acceleration formula is mu s into g. Write down R. This is the smooth surface. Once again I repeat, this is the mass of the lower block. This is the mass of the upper block. Look here. ml mass of the lower block, mu mass of the upper block. In the situation, this is rough surface. In the situation, applied force is applied on upper block. This is the question. Here in the situation, force applied in this direction, friction act in this direction. Friction is a pseudo force. On one body says a action, on other body says a opposite reaction. Okay? On this block, friction act backward. On this block, friction act forward, because friction is a pseudo force. On one block says action, on other block says opposite reaction. Here also, first to determine acceleration of the upper block. This is the question. In the question, I take upper block. Look here, this is the rough surface. Mass of the upper block mu. Here, this is external force, backward force is frictional force. Here, acceleration of the upper block means first net force acting on the upper block is determined. One is applied force, other one is frictional force. Both are opposite direction, in the between right minus. Here capital F, okay, small f means mu into n. N means this is the rough surface, above mass is taken. Weight, n means weight, mu into g. Net force, mass into acceleration. I take upper block, mass of the upper block, acceleration of the upper block. In the situation, acceleration of the upper block is F minus mu k into mu g by mass of the upper block. Very important, equation number 1. Look here. Next question is to determine acceleration of the lower block. Please check. This is the lower block. What is the mass of the lower block? ml. Here only single force acting, that is also frictional force on lower block. Here net force write as, here only single force acting, that is frictional force. Here frictional force means mu k into n. N means this is the rough surface, above mass is taken. Mass of the upper block into g. According to Newton's second law, F equal to ma. Here this is lower block, ml, al. Acceleration of the lower block is neatly write as mu k into mug whole by ml. Equation number 2. This is the formula for acceleration of the lower block. Very easy concept. First to determine, first to identify forces acting on body. Okay, that is most important thing. Right. Move together, find common acceleration. In the previous situation, Acceleration of the lower block determine, acceleration of the upper block determine. But the question is, both the blocks move together, common acceleration is determined. Here, both the blocks move commonly because of friction. Because of friction. In the situation, I take lower block. Okay? Here, frictional force provides. Frictional force provides. Both the blocks commonly move together because of friction. In the situation, net force is both the blocks commonly move together because of friction. That friction is maximum friction, that is called limiting friction. Here, right side, limiting friction, mu k into on the rough surface above mass is taken. Normal reaction is nothing but the weight, left side. I take lower block. Lower block means common acceleration A, mass of the lower block. What is the acceleration of the two blocks commonly move together? Mu k, mu, g by ml. Equation number 3. Write down.